with Miss Esti. Before we start the class, I'll introduce to you the new material. It's about formal invitation. Before we going to know what is formal invitation, I'll tell you what is the invitation.
Invitation is a spoken or written request to somebody to go somewhere or to do something. It means invitation is a request, solicitation, or an attempt to get another person to join you at a specific event. And how about the social function of invitation? Social function of invitation is to invite someone to attend or join an event. Of invitation divided by two. First is informal invitation and second is formal invitation. In this lesson, we will focus it on formal invitation. Formal invitation is an invitation which follow a dignified form, tone or style in agreement with the established norm, custom or value. And for the example, an invitation to a opening of a school, and then an invitation to a graduation ceremony, and then an invitation to a wedding or else. The social function of formal invitation is inviting people to formal and social events, and the linguistic characteristics are simple, precise, and consist words, detailed information, and the tone should be friendly and sincere. Words should be chosen carefully, and the style of writing should be formal. Now, how to make it? How to make the formal invitation? So, how to write or to make formal invitation? For the first, you must know about the structure of formal invitation. What is the structure of formal invitation? Structure of formal invitation divided by invitee or salutation. And for the second is about a body. And you know the body, it consists of occasion for the first. For the second is day or there. It's tell about the time when the invitation that happened, and then about the time, you know the time when the invitation will be held. And the fourth is about the place. It's tell about the venue where the location of the invitation will be held. After we talk about the body, the last is invite. So, writing invitation to event. First one is describe the event. Second is be sure to cover the detailed location, time, date, dress, direction, and then provide a reply card, email address, or phone number for responding. Now you look at the sample of formal invitation and the part of the formal invitation. Name of the host, Mr. and Mrs. Anantya, and look at that. And then about the phrasing of the invitation, cordially request the pleasure of your company. And for the third is tell about the kind of event that tell on the formal invitation. On the wedding ceremony of their daughter Deva with Devi, about the date, time, and venue. It's on Friday the 12th of December at 7 o'clock in Gedung Masyurah, Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, Kudus. It's tell about date, time, venue, location itself. And then RSVP request to respond. It is Julia, phone number, and then email address and special interaction. It tell dinner with be served at yummy food. I think that's about the example of formal invitation. Now we are going to look at the second example of formal invitation and the part of it. Of formal invitation, you are invited, to a formal dinner, and this is a talk about the part of body, and you must remember about it. You are invited as invitee, and then to a formal dinner. This is about the event, and host by Tina Williams. It talk about inviter, and then about December 9, 2015. It is about date and time is 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then about the Crescent Hotel, it is about venue, venue and RSVP. You must please reply. I received it to Tina and the number you must please reply about the formal invitation. My student, that's all about my formal invitation. Please write your formal invitation using your own language. Look at, this is the example of many kind formal invitation. You can look it and you can learn about it, and it is a time for you to analyze about the formal invitation, and when you are trying to make it, you can make it be your reference. Continue to improve your knowledge about formal invitation with all the learning